Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to save all open tabs in Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, you'll be working with the tabs you currently have open at the top of your browser window. This feature is particularly useful when you have multiple tabs open for a project or research session and want to save them all at once without bookmarking each one individually. Now direct your attention to the upper left area of your browser where your tabs are displayed. Take your mouse and right-click on any tab. It doesn't matter which tab you choose, the option will appear regardless. When you right-click, a context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Bookmark All Tabs. This is the key feature that allows you to save every single tab you currently have open in one go, rather than bookmarking them one by one. After clicking Bookmark All Tabs, a new window will appear on your screen. This window is asking you to organize these bookmarks into a folder so you can easily find them later. You'll see a field where you can enter a folder name. Go ahead and type in whatever name makes sense for the collection of tabs you're saving. This could be related to your project, topic, or any organizing system that works for you. Once you've entered your folder name, look for the Save button and click on it. This will create the new folder with all your current tabs bookmarked inside it. You'll now have easy access to this entire group of pages whenever you need them, all organized in one convenient location in your bookmarks. And that's it. You've successfully saved all your open tabs in Brave browser into a single organized folder. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.